was just at my dad's house. And then we found these cats. Well, kittens.
Look at the keys.
Like, we just found them in the backyard.
Did you cut it? Did you rinse it out?
Yep.
Where is it? Oh, you got it?
So cute. And they also sound cute. You might hear them. Hi. Wanna pour milk in there?
Yeah, so they can drink some milk.
Do you want some?
I think I just saw a tick.
They do have ticks.
No, I saw one like over here.
Yeah, this ticks around. You gotta be careful. That's why you always have to keep an eye on Oreo and in the doors. Good on, guys. Okay. We're gonna call you the Three Stooges.
But what should we name them?
Was it Willie? Was it? What are their names again? I forgot. Get off the towel, buddy.
What should we name them though?
Oh, sorry.
Don't draw them.
Yeah, just trying to get them to see that they have food.
I should have worn my shoes so if I see a tick, I can kill it. Oh,
No, sweetheart, you can't get out.
and trying to bite my feet.
Don't fight with each other.
They're not fighting. I think they're just hugging or something.
Okay, let me go see if the little old man is there. So I give him attention.
I think I see a praying mantis.
Come on, hold it back. Watch that stuff for me. No, you don't have shoes on.
I know.
You know, but you're not putting shoes on? Go put shoes on.
Okay.